We'll guide you through how to have no name or a blank name on an Instagram highlight. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can go and look super cool, and it just goes and looks pretty unique. So what you can do is do this with an existing highlight, or you can go and create a new one. It doesn't really matter. But to go and do this, we are going to go and need to leave Instagram to go and start with. So what we need to do is go and close it like so. Go and open up a web browser, and you need to go and search for empty characters like so. I'm just going to go and use the website emptycharacter.com. Then what we can do is go and scroll down like so, and you should see this option, copy with a button. We can click on copy to clipboard. Then all you need to do is go and find the highlight you want to do this with, or go and create a new one. I'll do it with this one here. So I'll go and hold my finger on it and go and click on edit highlight. And then what we can do is go and remove the current name. And then what you need to do is go and click on your cursor and then click on paste. After you've done that, click on done in the top right. And as you can see, we've now got a highlight with no name. It's that simple.